Welcome back to Matt in the Minute. Between first babies and first grandbabies, we haven't been shooting very many videos here lately, but we're finally getting back in the groove, and welcome back to our series. We had a great concert last night with our Hope to Haiti concert. We had 250 people here. We raised a lot of money, had a great worship experience. I've heard lots and lots of stories about people whose lives were changed. So thank you 40 plus volunteers who helped out last night. It was awesome. Very proud of you. You really worked through some challenges, and I thought it was a great event. And by the way, I want to let you know that our Nicaragua Medical Missions team is doing a great job down there. They've seen almost 500 people in 3 days of clinics. So they're all exhausted, but in a good way, and I can't wait to see pictures and video and hear personal reports from what they experienced down there. This Sunday, we're starting a new series called Ordinary People. So if you're perfect, if you have superpowers, then this series won't be for you. But if you're just an ordinary guy or girl, just like one of us, this will be a great series. I think it's going to impact our lives in a great way. So hope to see you Sunday. Bring a friend with you. Take care.